Hey guys, how's it going? This is your friend Sam. Here we are today working on this 2017 Dodge Journey 4-cylinder. It's very common on all these trucks for these sensors to go out. Let me know if you have your dash showing negative 40 and you have the check engine light for negative 40. Let's turn off the air conditioning. There you go, negative 40. You have the check engine light on. Let's go ahead and scan the tool. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's put scan vehicle. You can use any other scan tools. They have some at Walmart for $32, and they have some for around $28 or $20 in Amazon. It's just a OBD tool to read and clear codes. Here we are. We're gonna go ahead and read the code that we have here, because we have to get this ready for inspection. So here we have a code that says outside air temperature sensor communication malfunction. So none of these vehicles, you're gonna get this code, and what you need to do is you need to replace the sensor. If you show a negative 40 on your vehicle, we'll go ahead and shut off the ignition switch. And your sensor should be under the bumper, underneath. Right now I have it right here hanging for you guys, but it usually goes right over here, right here. So what this happened with this sensor, it was like this in the ground, dragging. So it messed it up. You see right there, guys, the tip. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go ahead and remove it. You don't even have to lift the car up in the air if you need to remove yours, but we're gonna go ahead and remove this one, pull it out, and now we gotta find one like this one that's similar to this. And siéntate. Let's see, here's our little bucket that we carry some here. This one looks like it, but let's check, let's verify, because I have a bunch of them in there that I always use for other cars to test for testing. There you go. This one looks like it. No, it's a little bit off. Let's look for another one. Another Dodge one. Let's see if this one will work. Let's see. So yeah, this one, it's also different. Don't worry, we're gonna find one. We will find one right now. There's this one right here. You can connect positive and negative to it, and it'll work. Oh, it has tape. I didn't even notice that. There you go. Look, we found one, guys. We found one already. Alright, this one will work. Let's make sure that this is good right here. Sensor's not expensive. You could buy one online. But I always carry extra sensors for this reason, since I get a lot of cars, vehicles. Now let's plug this in right here, guys. Let's push it all the way in, make sure it's pushed in. There you go. Before we mount that somewhere with the zip tie or something, we're gonna go ahead and test it. And if it does work, then we're gonna put it located somewhere nice and clean, reset the light, drive the vehicle so we can take it to inspection. $82 degrees, perfect, guys. We fixed it. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Please help me keep up with the new videos, release new stuff, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and erase the codes, push yes. Get rid of the check engine light also, and drive the vehicle around. I'll probably take this vehicle home and turn off the ignition switch, turn it on, and we are good to go, guys. Now we're gonna zip tie it, put it somewhere right down the side. It really doesn't matter where it goes, but I'm happy, I'm happy we got it fixed. we're gonna mount it somewhere on the side, you know? You don't want it just dragging because that's not the way it goes. We're gonna probably put it, I think originally it goes right here, I think right here somewhere, but we could put it somewhere right here. If we put it too low, you're gonna hit curbs and stuff like that and it's gonna come right off. But we're gonna figure out a place where to put it at. Can even go right there, you know? Gotta put a zip tie on there. But we'll get that done right now, guys, in a second. But thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Your friend Sam's here just to save you guys a buck. Thanks, guys.